absolutely loving this. This is Deco mesh, but it reminds you of bling wrap. And it comes in the rose gold, the gold, and the silver. So I'm absolutely loving that, and I think it's for the same exact price. Now take a look at all of the bows that they have. They have a slew of all of these. And look, this one here is also the Deco mesh in the red. And look, it looks like red bling wrap. So that's pretty awesome, guys. So if you do a lot of gift wrapping and you love making bows, and you have to stock up on all of this now. And also don't forget that the day after Christmas, all of this stuff goes on sale. So that's probably the best time to shop for all of it. But here we go, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this ribbon. I could use these for my DIYs. So this is not just for Christmas. If you can think of some stuff to do with this ribbon, for your crafts, I would buy it. So see, the sign said 40% off. And they also had the little furry ribbon. I think I'm gonna buy some just for my crafts. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the ribbon and the deco mesh. Let's go over to the next aisle where they have the garland and the Christmas trees and a little bit of decor. So these are the garlands, and again, I believe these things are 40% off, but as I walk through, I'll try to show you the prices. Aren't these pillows so beautiful, guys? I love these sparkly things. I believe those pillows, I'm not sure if they were 29.99, something like that. I'll show you the tag. And these area decor pieces right here, aren't they beautiful? I love that color gold. Okay, so now we're pretty much done with this side of the wall. Let's look at the Christmas trees, guys. So what I am noticing is I didn't see any of the flock trees, so those are like long gone, I guess. So the only ones on the floor are the regular trees, and I don't know, I think I find these prices pretty expensive. What do you guys think? So now right behind me was the leftover trees and the boxes and the leftover ornaments that were left. And this is pretty much it, guys. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Happy holidays.